Namaskar students. Today we are going to learn topic multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. In previous video we learned addition and subtraction of matrices. Today we learn multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. First let's definition. Here multiplication between matrix and scalar. So let me assume a matrix order m by n and a scalar mean any real number, so let k is any real number. Then how to multiply? K multiply with a, then a into matrix a I j order m by n equals to k into aij order m by n. What is the meaning of this? Simple, I write here. So this matrix is obtained by multiplying each element of A, each element of matrix A by the scalar k. Very simple. Let one example to understand the topic. Let A is a matrix of order 2 by 2, 2, 4, 3, 2, order and matrix C order 2 by 2 minus 2, 5, 3, 4. Okay, then find out 3A minus C. 3A. So 3 is a scalar multiplied by matrix. Okay. So solution 3A minus C equal to 3 into A is a matrix minus C is a matrix. So what is the definition? Multiply each element of A by the scalar. So this means 3 multiply each element of this matrix. So I write here 3 into 2, 3 into 4, 3 into 3, 3 into 2. See. Clear? Minus this C as it is right here. Then this is 6 minus 2 I write here. This is 12 minus 5. 9 minus 3. You know the subtraction, we learn all this thing. Okay. Then this 3 to the 6 minus 4 right here. Finally answer, this is 8. This is 7. This is 6 and 2. So this is the answer. So very simple. Multiply each element by a scalar is called scalar multiplication of a matrix. One another example, but I do not write question, I write directly solution. This is the example of 3.2 question 5. Okay, see yourself in textbook question, I write direct solution here. We have to find 3a minus 5b where a and b are given matrices. So 3 into matrix A minus 5 into matrix B. So what we do? We multiply each element of matrix A by 3. Here we have to multiply each element of this matrix B by 5. So what happens when you multiply all by 3? So this is 2 by 3. When we multiply 3, we get 2. This 3 ones are 3. 5 by 3 into 3, 3 3 cut, 5 remain. 1 by 3 into 3, 3 multiply. So 3 3 cut, 1 remain. Here 2 by 3, 3 multiply, 3 3 cut, 2 remain. Similarly 4 by 3 into 3, 4 remain. 7 remain, 3 2s are 6 and 3 3 cut, 2 remain. Similarly here 5 multiply, 2 by 5, so 2 remain. Here 3 by 5 into 5, so 3 remain. 5 ones are 5. Similarly when you multiply with each element we get 1 2 4 7 6 2. Clear? See now both are similar matrices. So when we subtract, we get 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. 0 matrix mean matrix O. See, all are similar elements. Okay, so these are examples. Also, all these examples you have to write 2 times. Also, you have to write illustration 7. It is also very easy. 3.2 example 4 also very easy. You have to write 2 times. Now see, properties of matrix addition. Properties of matrix addition. So we have 4 properties of matrix addition, and this topic we learnt in previous video. Okay. First rule is commutative law. You know, commutative means either you write a plus b or you write b plus a. The answer will be same. In any order you can add, the answer will be same. Then associative law, a plus b plus c equal to a plus b plus c. You can add any 3 matrices in any order, the answer will be same. This is called associative law. Then third, existence of additive identity. We know this is 0 matrix, and when we add any matrix with 0 matrix, we get same matrix in any order. Either you add a plus 0 or you add 0 plus b. Is that clear? When such thing happen, this 0 matrix is called the additive identity. Fourth property is existence of additive inverse. Okay, when you add any 2 matrix and the resultant matrix will be 0 matrix in any order, be a plus a or a plus b, then this b is called the additive inverse of a. And also we say this is negative of matrix A, and this B is denoted by minus A. Clear? So these are 4 properties of matrix addition. Another property, properties of scalar multiplication of matrix, this topic. Okay. So if K is multiplied in any matrix A plus B, we have to multiply separately. K into A plus K into B. Is that clear? This is the same thing. K plus L. K and L are scalars, mean any real number. Or K plus L equal into A is K into A plus L into A. Okay. So these both are same, this side or this side. So this is the properties of scalar multiplication. So you have to write these properties and this definition 10 times. Okay.